Hello, students. Welcome to lesson number 4. Lesson number 4. Today, we're going to talk about hobbies and interests. Hobbies, pasatiempos, and interests, cosas que nos gustan. This is the prepare section. Esta es la sección prepare, okay? Let's start with the lesson number 4. Hobbies and interests. What do you like to do? What do you like to do? ¿Qué te gusta hacer? Objectives. Number 1. I will learn to say what I like. Number 2. I will learn to say what I don't like. Oh, I don't like that. No, I don't like. Que no me gusta. Voy a aprender a decir lo que me gusta, what I like to do, lo que me gusta hacer, and what I don't like to do, y lo que no me gusta hacer. And number 3, I will learn to ask what someone likes to do. Y aprenderé a decir, a preguntar qué le gusta a otra persona hacer. Let's learn the vocabulary. Aprendamos el vocabulario nuevo. Cook. Cocinar. Shop. Oh, let's go shopping. Let's go to the mall. Vamos al centro comercial.
Shop.
Study my book. Study. I will study.
Study.
Read. Sleep. Sing. La 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 la. Sing. Play sports. Basketball, soccer, baseball, volleyball. Play sports. Watch movies and TV. Ah, the TV. Listen to music. La la la. But listen. Okay? And dance. Paint. With crayons, con colores de cera, or paint with paint. Que pintura también se dice paint. Run. Okay, let's see the flashcard. Vamos a ver si ya nos aprendimos. Okay, students, review over and over again. Review, repasen over and over, una y otra vez, until you learn them, until you memorize them, hasta que se los memoricen, okay? And then play with the flashcards. Y después jueguen con las tarjetitas para saber si ya no sabemos los nombres. Vamos a ver si ya lo sabemos. What was the cat doing? What is the cat? The cat, meow. What is he doing? He is playing basketball? No. He is shopping? No. He's painting. Pintar. What is she doing? Reading? Let's see. Yeah, read. Read es leer. Reading, leyendo. Okay? Shop. Yeah, correct. Ah, it's easy. Es una fácil. Easy. Listening to music. He listens to music. Sleep. It loves to sleep. Playing soccer. Play soccer. Or play sports. Sports is general. Los deportes son en general. El que él estaba jugando era soccer. Okay. Yes, to cook. To cook or cook. Dance. Dance. Study or reading? Study or read? Study. He's studying. Remember? Run. Watching the TV or watch movies and TV. And la 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 la. Yeah, that's a choir. Eso es un coro. ¿Qué están haciendo? What are they doing? Sing. They are singing. Están cantando. O sing, cantar. Good job, group. Now let's go with the phrases that we need to memorize. Memorize, memorícenla. Okay? A mí me gusta. I like to. A mí me gusta comer. I like to eat. A mí me gusta bailar. I like to dance. You like to dance. You like to play sports. We as a class, we like to study. They, our friends, our family like to watch the TV. He likes, watch over here, observen aquí, likes. Cuando es el he, she, or it, lleva una S, okay? He likes to sleep. Ella, she likes to paint. It, the cat, it likes to sleep too. Okay. Así decimos me gusta. I like, you like, we like, they like, he likes, she likes, it likes. Ahora, no me gusta. I don't like. Vamos a agregar esta parte. I don't like to eat. I don't like to sing. I don't like to read. I don't like to sleep. He doesn't like to run. She doesn't like to paint. They don't like to watch movies. Okay? See this? Entonces, observemos. Es el pronombre yo, a mí me gusta que. Fíjese que se agrega el to al verbo que estamos aprendiendo. Aprendimos sing, read, paint, pero le tenemos que agregar esto para que se convierta en un verbo en infinitivo. Significa que termine en ar, ir, o sea, cantar, reír, correr, llorar, etc. Okay? To sing, to play, to read, to study, etc. Okay, let's continue with conversations. Conversation number 1. What do you like to do? Ahora aprendamos a hacerlo en pregunta. ¿Qué te gusta hacer? What do you like to do?
What do you like to do? I like to play sports.
I like to play sports.
Me too.
Yo también. Me too. Cuando ustedes quieren decir, yo también, a mí también me gusta eso, entonces decimos, me too. O sea, a mí también me gusta. Conversation number 2. Do you like to cook?
Do you like to cook?
Do you like to cook?
No, not really. I don't cook very often.
No, not really. No, no me gusta. No, realmente no. I don't cook very often. No cocino muy seguido. Very often. Muy seguido. Muy a menudo. Me neither. Yo tampoco. Me neither.
Me neither.
Conversation number 3. Do you like to dance?
Do you like to dance?
Yeah, I really like to dance.
Yeah, I really like to dance.
Sí. Realmente me gusta bailar. Me too.
Me too.
A mí también. Y luego las invitan a bailar, ¿no? Ok. Now, por favor, igual. estas conversaciones, you must memorize them. Tenemos que memorizarlas, ¿ok? Acuérdense, estamos queriendo hablar, pues tenemos que aprenderlo a decirlo. Ok, let's see the pronunciation. Vamos a ver la pronunciación, porque aquí hay unas cositas que tenemos que revisar. Pronunciation.
Cook.
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 Cook. Es double O, son dos O, pero suena U. Cook.
Cook.
I like
I
to
like
cook.
to cook. I like to cook.
Me gusta cocinar. I like to cook. Study.
Study. I like to study.
I like to study.
Sleep.
I like to sleep.
Play sports. I like to play sports.
Mhm. Dance. ¿Cómo decimos que me gusta bailar?
I like to dance.
I like to dance. Paint.
I like to paint.
Good. Now let's listen. Okay, there's a question. Hay una pregunta en el video que ustedes van a responder. ¿Listos? La pregunta es, what does Lindsay like to do? ¿Qué le gusta a Lindsay hacer? Listen carefully. Escuchen con cuidado.
I'm into the pianos nuts. My name's Lindsay Sterling. I'm a violinist. I'm a YouTuber. I'm a songwriter. I have always been a very optimistic, upbeat person. When I first came to college, I wasn't happy. It was a time that I was trying to figure out who am I, what makes me.
Okay. What does Lindsay like to do? She is a violinist. She likes to dance, and she also writes. But she says she plays the violin and dance. Esa era la respuesta. Play the violin and dance. Okay. Now let's read the scripture for the week. Ahora vamos a leer la escritura de la semana. Let's read, leamos, the scripture of the week. For where your treasure is, for where, donde, your treasure, tu tesoro is, there will be your heart. Your heart, your heart. There will be your heart. Where your treasure is, there your heart will be also. Where is your heart right now? ¿Dónde está su corazón? Where? Huh? For where your treasure is, there will be your heart also. Let's read it in Spanish. Leámoslo en español. Porque donde esté vuestro tesoro, ahí estará también vuestro corazón. Let's read the two questions. Vamos con las dos preguntas. How is your treasure related to your likes and dislikes? How is your treasure related to your likes and dislikes? ¿Qué relación tiene su tesoro con lo que le gusta o no le gusta? Por favor, respóndanla. Y ahora les voy a pedir que lo escriban en el grupo de WhatsApp. Pueden escribir en su cuaderno la pregunta y la respuesta y toman una foto y la suben. Va a ser un poco más fácil. Question number 2. Pregunta número 2. What do you treasure most in your life? Fíjense estas dos palabras, ¿ok? What do you treasure most in your life? ¿Qué es lo que más atesora usted en su vida? What is your treasure? Aquí tenemos dos significados de treasure. Treasure. Treasure, tesoro. Treasure, atesorar. Lo vemos como un sustantivo y lo vemos como un verbo. Las dos formas es correcta, ¿ok? ¿Qué es lo que más atesora usted en su vida? My family, the gospel, God. Lo que usted atesore más en su vida. ¿Ok? Well, that's actually the class for this, the review, the prepare for this week. Este es el prepare para esta semana. Good luck.